Recently, RIUGOR's new energy vehicle funnel reducer production line is running in full power and entering a busy production stage. The funnel reducer of RIUGOR Transmission adopts lightweight design and high-precision gear transmission technology, which has the advantages of low noise, high efficiency, and long life, and is perfectly adapted to the needs of electric vehicles. With excellent product quality and rapid responsibility, it has won orders from many well-known car companies. At present, the machines in the production hall are roaring, and the workers are methodically operating the equipment to ensure that it is delivered on time. The relevant person in charge of the company said that in the future, it will further optimize the technological process, increase production capacity, provide more high-quality products for the industry, and help the sustainable development of the new energy vehicle industry chain.